of the movie theater.
So what are you doing? Are you doing the yoga today?
I'm gonna
Pokemon yoga?
maybe a Sonic one, or a Pokemon one, or the Elsa one.
Okay. Bus. What, sweetie? Okay. Okay, Northy.
Can I wash my hands?
Can you do it in the other room? I'm in the middle of something. I don't want to get this all wet, sweetie. I'm hiding in the guest room, you guys. I'm hiding in the guest room because my kids will not leave me alone.
Hey, that's me.
North, can I please just do my little tutorial? It's all I want to do is one little fun thing for myself. Okay. AW Beauty Products Glam in my guest room, quarantine glam, just to go to the kitchen to get harassed by my kid. Looks kind of cute. All right, I'm ready to go to my living room. Instagram Live.
That's a phone.
I know.
Okay, Mommy, I'm charging my phone in.
Yeah.
And can Honey say hi?
Yeah. Real quick. But wait, I gotta...
I want Honey to say hi.
Hold on, I gotta figure out how to...
Honey, say hi. Hi. Oh, Mommy?
Yeah. Wait, no, for real. Remember I told you that I need like 15 minutes just to do this? Please.
Yeah.
Okay, please. Please. It's not coming in. Northy, your dog. Is it through the comments? Northy, your dog, for real.
No, this is a good couch.
No. You're there in the middle.
This is really good.
You're in the middle.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm not asking you the question. I'm asking Dad. I moved. I'm sorry. I moved. I didn't know it would cause this much of a big deal. My makeup artists usually don't act this way. Okay, let's focus.